Share data is a powerful feature of SmartHQ Service that allows you to share data files containing diagnostic data of previously executed troubleshooting sessions with other technicians. Every time SmartHQ Service interacts with an appliance for troubleshooting, the session data is stored on the mobile device. Click Share Data to view a list of available troubleshooting sessions executed previously. Select the required session that you want to share. Click on the Email option and then click Send to share the session details with another technician. The technician that receives the data file can open the troubleshooting session using the SmartHQ Service app. Once the data file opens in the SmartHQ Service app, the technician can retrieve the session's diagnostic data. Share data allows sharing of diagnostic data amongst technicians and facilitates communication between them for effective troubleshooting.